G'day, Adam, VK4GHZ. Welcome back. This is part 3 of the Brisbane Microwave Activity Day, and we're up at 5.7 gigs.
This unit here is the 5.7 and 10 gig transverter box, and the two horns. The whole thing just clamps onto the vertical pipe using a couple of U-clamps and wing nuts. And the green material is an old chopping board that was just convenient to use. Quinton 4AQF has just arrived. Say hello to the world.
Greetings.
Greetings and salutations, or just greetings?
Both.
There you go.
What sort of mood I'm in? Live long and prosper.
Live long and prosper. Woo!
VK4 ADC, VK4 UH portable, VK4 UH portable at Howells Knob at Mullaney calling. 5.7 gigs VK4 ADC portable, VK4 UH portable listening for you.
VK4 UH, VK4 UH portable, VK4 ADC portable at Nandravac. Good signal from you, Kevin. You're 5.9 plus about 20, 5.9 plus 20. I'm running about 10 milliwatts into dual band feed into a grid pack. So I'll just turn down 6.5 low. So yeah, good signal from you, and this is the first contact on the homebrew 5.7 gig transverter. VK4 UH portable, VK4 ADC portable.
Roger, Doug. VK4 ADC portable, VK4 UH portable. Very happy to be your first contact on the new radio. You're only my second on this band, so I'm pretty happy too. I'm running 9 watts here to a 600mm dish with a dual band feed fed through coax, so I'm pretty happy too. Excellent, really good signals. They're strong and the quality is very fine. No distortion and no QSP on this path at this frequency anyway. Thanks very much, Doug, and we'll look for you on another day. VK4 ADC, VK4 UH portable.
You're okay, fine, Kevin. I think Quinton 4AQF is about to give you a call on this frequency. 73, thanks very much for the contact. VK4 ADC, clear?
73's VK4 UH portables monitoring.
Yeah, very fine signal, Quinton. You're 5 and 9 plus about 30 dB according to the meter here. Very loud signal indeed. How are you from me?
Yeah, VK4 UH, VK4 AQF. I'm about the same report here. You're well over the 9. I've just got this 5 gig transverter fixed up. It had one of the front end devices was dead, so I bypassed it. So the single front end seems to be working fine. So quite happy with that, and just running into a horn. So put it on, and very good copy.
Yeah, running about 80 milliwatts over.
Oh, terrific. That sounds really good. We have a horn here as well, which we're going to try in a moment. So if you guys will just stand by, VK4 AQF, VK4 ADC, we're going to switch antennas to a horn, so stand by.
Yeah, QSL.
Yeah, roger. Doug was saying I wonder if it was optimised, but that's good. That's good. And you speak the horn down a little bit less gain. I haven't got a lot of gain here. This horn is only about a 6-inch horn. So it's not a lot, a 15 centimetres aperture, quite a broad sort of horn, and it's just sitting on top of the transverter. So 4-inch. Yeah, 4-inch. Well, yeah, 4-inch in one direction. So we don't have a lot of gain in that, but that's good. So yeah, look, I better get back to these other fellas, but great to work you, and I need to work Sunday ADC for their people actually in the log, VK4 AQF, VK4 OE.
Okay, I'll let you do that and let you get back to the others. VK4 AQF was
VK4 OE, VK4 ADC portable.
Yeah, VK4 ADC portable, VK4 OE portable, again off the back of the van. Very complicated, giving an estimated rating and that sort of thing, that sort of thing. This is done. Very comfortable, VK4 ADC, VK4 OE portable.
Yeah, okay, Doug. Well, you're 5 and 9 on my meter, so I'll give you 9. All right, thanks again. VK4OE, VK4 ADC, and I could hear 4WT, but he obviously wasn't hearing me.
VK4CZ, VK4ADC portable.
VK4ADC, 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 VK4 Charlie Zulu portable, VK4 Charlie Zulu portable, VK4ADC, 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 VK4 Charlie Zulu portable.
You're okay, Scotty. 20 to 30 over 9, 20 to 30 over 9, VK4ADC portable.
Yeah, okay, QSL, Doug, not real strong. A lot of QSB on the path. 5 and 151, 5 and 151, QSL.
Okay, is that any better now?
Yeah, QSL, 5 and 3, 53.
Alright, I haven't peaked it on you. Can you just put a signal up? Can you put carrier up or something so I can try to peak it?
Yeah, QSL, carrier coming up now.
Just a bit of difference.
VK4 ADC, VK4 Charlie Zulu, how now?
Well, I don't think I can go any further than 60, that's as far as the bar graph goes. I should be a bit stronger your end though. Yeah, okay, that's just on the horn antenna, that's just on the homebrew horn.
When you were working Doug I could hear you, but only just between 20 and 40. A little bit of QSB stuff, but no trouble.
Alright, well you're reading 60 over on the scale, so that's about as far as I can go. So I've got a hope of working Kevin 4UH now.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Very good. Well, I don't think there's anyone else for us to work on 10 gigs, so I'll take this one up and then it's just 24, Doug, when you're ready.
Alright, okay, thank you Scotty, very much appreciated. Alright, that's the bearing for Scott 4CZ and Peter VK4EA. And a little bit further. That's the bearing for Doug VK40E. VK40E, VK40E, VK4ADC portable.
Yeah, VK4ADC portable. VK4OE portable. Yeah, good morning and great to work you on 10 gigs this time. On that flight I was actually reading 1268.098.8, so it's a 400 hertz sound. It could be a small discrepancy there, but most of it's QSL. Yeah, good strong signal here at the moment. I don't know if you picked on me yet. VK4ADC portable, VK4OE portable.
No, it's a bit hard for me to peak on you because you're 60 over 9, Doug. This is around about the 10 milliwatt mark into the horn. This is 10 milliwatts into the horn, so not gigantic this end. I do have another antenna I want to try, but I can try that just on the beacon just to see how much difference I get between the different antennas. But at least it's working, which is what it wasn't doing earlier. VK4OE portable, VK4ADC portable, Mount Gravatt.
Okay, cheers. I'll be around VK4OE.
Oh, by the way, my dial reads 098.88 as well.
Alright, that's good.
You're very loud here, reflected off some rain. Very loud. You're moving in frequency, but I've put my ident back up. I've not had a chance to peak properly on you. Can you come on a bit longer?
Oh, okay. So you're not using a direct path?
No, I'm beaming your direction, but there's a big cloud in between us, and it's Doppler shifting us, but I'm getting good span from it, and hear you very clearly.
Okay, actually I'm just looking at where my dish and the horizon, maybe I'm aimed a little bit low in elevation. So alright, I'll give you more carrier, then I'll get you to provide me with a signal and I'll optimise again.
Yeah, my ident's transmitting right at this minute.
Okay, let me optimise on you. Okay. There it is. Oh. Okay, KJ, drop off. I've just optimised it. I'm pointed up into that dark grey cloud now.
Give me that audio back again and I'll peak my dish on you and in elevation, Adam, just like you did just then.
Okay, it's got that auroral sound to it, by the way. Here we go. That sounds like it. VK4UH portable, VK4UH portable. This is Victor Kilo 4 Golf Hotel Zulu portable. VK4GHZ portable. You are 4 and 1, 41, 4 and 1, over.
Roger, VK4GHZ, thank you for the 4x1. You are 4x9 plus 20, 4x9 plus 20. 4x9 plus 20 with marked auroral sound on it from rain scatter, over.
Yeah, Roger, KJ, thank you for the 4 and 9. Wow, that must mean my system's a little bit deaf still. Thought I'd resolve that problem, but thank you for 4 and 9. You're 4 and 1, 41, over.
Roger, QSL, the 4x1, 41. We've recorded this and it's a really interesting signal to hear, VK4UH portable.
Okay, KJ, thanks for that. I won't hold it. Copy's a little bit light, but I was hoping it would be a little bit more, my sense system would be a little bit more sensitive. Over. Cheers. Oh well, it's one contact at least. Very unusual effect when you're bouncing off clouds. It tends to sound a bit like auroral propagation.
But it should be fairly easy contact, I think.
VK4OE, VK4OE, VK4 Oscar Echo, VK4 Charlie Zulu, 124 GHz, VK4CZ. VK4OE, VK4CZ on 2 metres. You hearing this stuff? VK4OE, VK4OE, VK4 Oscar Echo, VK4 Charlie Zulu, VK4CZ, VK4 Charlie Zulu on 24 GHz.
I go to optimise when you're transmitting to me. I think the received performance of what you've got there is not as good as what I've got here. So that's why you're not copying me properly, which is the first time I've tried it in a less than short contact. So yeah, as I say, I'm copying you loud and clear. And I'd like to try and pick my beam on you so that you get the maximum signal from me, VK4CZ, VK4OE.
Trying everything. I've moved the feed up here a little bit and just not hearing you.
So I'm going to pull up stakes.